everyone. I'm Suhani Sethi, and I think asking me to introduce myself is probably the most difficult thing that you will ever ask me to do. Because I feel we're all so much more than just a few words can express, right? Like in interviews and auditions, everyone keeps telling me, introduce yourself. But I'm always just figuring out those particular 5-6 words, those little boxes, which can actually describe who I am in totality. And I think that goes for everyone, right? So while I still figure out how to introduce myself, I don't want today to be just about me. It's about all of us, all you beautiful people who took out your precious times and came to hear me. I'll start by asking a question. A very generic question, and I really would like you all to answer it. Okay, just with a yes or no. How many of you sitting here remember your childhood dreams? Remember those dreams which we just saw out of a pure heart, out of no fear of societal judgment. Those dreams which just came straight out of a fairyland of our own. We didn't know what was societal judgment at that point, right? We never calculated कि क्या मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, क्या मेरे पास connections हैं ये करने के, क्या मेरे parents support करेंगे, क्या कहेंगे लोग, क्या कहेंगे, क्या होगा, right? वो जो सपने होते थे ना, I want to become an astronaut, I want to become a scientist, a cricketer, I want to be the next विराट कोहली. जब मैं छोटी थी तब तो सचिन तेंदुलकर थे. As a 5-year-old, I saw a dream too. I want to see myself on the silver screen. Remember back then in 2011, Katrina Kaif was a huge craze, and I was a die-hard fan. I still am. And I remember a very famous song of hers, Chikni Chameli, had just came out. And I saw it and I was like, wow, I just want to be like her. I want to see myself on the big screen, acting, doing that, living my life, living so many different characters. But as I grew older, 3 साल बाद, 4 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद, I was struck with the 3 most scary words of this world. Those 3 words can actually ruin lives. And these are not the 3 words that you think I'm talking about. The very scary 3 words of my life. लोग क्या कहेंगे? That pressure of society, that pressure of judgment कि मैं कैसे सबको जाके बोलूँ कि मेरे को एक्टर बनना है, मुझे टीवी पे आना है. You remember जब हम छोटे थे तो हमारी क्लास में teachers used to ask us कि what do you want to become? You come on stage, you tell everyone that this is what I want to become, this is what I want to do, right? So in a class full of, ma'am, I want to become a doctor, ma'am, I want to become an engineer, ma'am, I want to take my family business ahead, I was always the odd one out. I remember I was in class 1 and I said, ma'am, I want to become a supermodel. This happened again. I was in class 8th and I said, ma'am, I want to become an actor. And everybody just gave me a weird look that, like, what did just happen? Like, everyone was like, कि तू कैसे बनेगी यार? मतलब, think practically, think career-wise, you will have a family to support. Acting में कहाँ है career? नहीं बन पाएगा. Study hard, make your parents proud, and generally I feel creative professions को थोड़ा look down किया जाता है कभी-कभी, especially in an academic setting. But I think that is the magic of childhood dreams. I gave up on that dream of becoming an actor. Eventually I was like, it's fine, maybe this is not meant for me. Maybe people are right. Their doubts became mine, their insecurities about me took over my mind, and I was like, fine, this is not for me. Let's not even take the first step, let's not even try. But again, circling back to my very first question, I I think because you see those childhood dreams with so much purity in your heart, God never lets them fail. And the universe and the destiny has its own way of making them come true. And that's exactly what happened to me. My first acting project, it was an ad for Amazon, and it happened very accidentally. I happened to be somewhere and somebody spotted me and asked me if I wanted to audition for this ad. And something just went off in my mind. I was like, what? How is this happening? And with zero preparation, I just went for that audition that, okay, let's just try. ये भगवान जी का मौका है, करना चाहिए. I gave that audition and I got selected. I was 12 at that time, 7 years back. I clearly remember those 3-4 minutes between an action and a cut. And I've never felt more alive in my whole life. This is something that gives me purpose. I don't see it as a career. I don't see it as a profession. I don't see it as a money-making business. I see acting as a therapy. Because I know that when the world is not right, when I'm having problems in my life, just being in front of the camera makes me feel like I'm talking to an old friend. So I'm just gonna leave you with one thought today. The 12-year-old Sohani, okay, I'll vouch for it. She was very scared of public speaking. It was the most scary thought ever for her. She could not even speak in front of 5 people, not even her own friends. She was that conscious. She did not have a lot of self-confidence to put her thoughts out there that this is what I want to do. This is what I think. And it really impacted my self-esteem. But that very same girl, 7 years later, standing here today, giving a TED talk. I mean, how crazy is that? And yes, I am very guilty, but I have rehearsed this speech, I think, 50 times in front of a mirror. I've always imagined as a child that, yeah, I'll be holding a Filmfare Award someday and I'll talk about it and I'll always say this dialogue, which I'm about to say right now. And this goes true for TEDx as well. I've grown up watching TEDx videos and today I get to do it. And I think this dialogue is very appropriate today. कि इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि पूरी कायनात ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. So if I can do it, you can do it as well, right? We're all so special. We all have our own interests, our own talents, our own capabilities. So if I can take the first step, so can you. And what changed in these past 7 years? I think I would just frame it like I found my key. The key to that log kya kahenge lock. And what is that key? Any guesses? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. I know it's very difficult to internalize this, right? It's very difficult for me too. I'm a 19-year-old figuring my own life out right now, but I'm standing here giving a speech in front of you. Don't ever let anybody else have that power to tell you what you are capable of. And for that matter, don't even give yourself that own power. Because even you don't know how magical you are. That little voice in the head, I think I have it, I am sure most of us have it. It keeps telling me कि मत कर, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, कैसे होगा, this is too far-fetched, this looks like a distant star. You know, it feels so beautiful to look at, to think about, but you can't. But sometimes I'm shocked at myself, like right now. And I think as much as people emphasize on self-belief and how you should assure yourself that you are nice, that you are capable, that you are lovely. Definitely, I vouch for that. But sometimes we underestimate ourselves. And even we don't know how magical, how miraculous we all are. So now, when someone asks me, "Hey Suhani, what's up?" I just say my self-confidence. "Hey Suhani, what are you doing these days? Chasing my dreams? Turning them into reality?" "Hey Suhani, the most important question, how do you deal with societal judgment?" And then I drop another 2-letter very scary word: constructive criticism. Thank you guys.